Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we've got the Scubapro Dry 120 roller duffel bag. So this is a big roller bag. It's made out of dry tarpaulin material, so it's watertight except for that zipper. It's a roller bag, but it doesn't have a completely hard back pad to it. So it does fold up and it does sort of roll up into itself. So this makes it great for liverboards. So on a liverboard, you can have all of your equipment stowed in the gear. You can roll it from the airport, get all of your equipment out. But then where do you put your bag? They can be quite sort of cumbersome, so you can roll it up and stow it away fairly easily. Because the material itself is a dry material, that means that all of your equipment on the inside, if you're taking it on a rainy day dive, it's going to keep all of your dry stuff on the inside dry. Or vice versa, if you're at the end of the dive, you've got all of your wet kit, you put it in here, you don't want to put it in the back of your car because it will leak everywhere, but not in this bag. In this bag, it's going to keep all of that sort of water contained, so the back of your car doesn't get soaked, and then you can dry it all out when you get back home. So this is a big size bag. You've got about 120 litres of internal volume, so it's a decent size. You can fit really big fins in here, your dry suit, BCD, all sorts in here. It really is a decent size bag. On the front, you just got the logo. We've got two backpack straps as well. If I kind of push this down, you can see it's fairly airtight already. So we have a kind of grab handle, which if you undo that section of Velcro, these do become backpack straps. So if you're going somewhere a little more off-road, you can still put it on your back and you still can transport it fairly easily. But around the airport, of course, you have these roller wheels. So these are nice and smooth, they're pretty rugged as well, and you've got a decent tread on them, so you get a decent amount of purchase. The bottom corner is rigid, so you get this little right angle, which kind of keeps the bottom off of the floor. On the top, we have a big dry zipper. So as I say dry, it's not completely dry, it's more just splash dry. So if waves are coming over it, it's going to keep the water out, but you can't sort of fill it with water completely and turn it upside down. On the inside, big open cavernous space, nothing too fancy on the inside, so plenty of space. It's not going to sort of compartmentalize all of your equipment and make it complicated of how to put your stuff in. You just put your stuff in and it'll work. The bottom is semi-rigid, so it does keep a bit of shape. One problem with a lot of these sort of lighter roller bags that don't have those rigid sections down the center is they can stand to sort of bow, especially when they're fully laden. But with this one, you've got a piece of plastic at the bottom, which does keep a bit of shape and rigidity, just means that it's not going to bow in the center. At the top as well, you've got a little pinch clip and a grab handle, so it works much like a dry bag because this is slightly oversized, the main zipper. It's kind of U-shaped, which makes it really easy to get stuff in and out. It really opens it up, but you do end up with a bit of a triangle just at the tip, so this little pinch clip just allows you to fold that down, makes it nice and streamlined, and underneath that you've got the grab handle, decent size on that, so you can carry it around and you can tow it behind you. So all in all, a good tough little bag. It's nice and lightweight as well because it doesn't have all of that sort of metal and hardware to carry around, makes it much lighter. So especially when you're traveling on aeroplanes, your bag isn't taking up quite so much of your baggage allowance, but it's roller, so you can carry it around and sort of wheel it behind you. You've got those sort of padded shoulder straps that are adjustable, so you can really carry it around wherever you want. The dry material is a real sort of lifesaver, especially diving in the UK. Keeps all of your stuff dry on the inside, or vice versa, keeps your wet stuff contained. So this is the Scubapro Dry 120 bag. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.